Our new research reveals when marine heatwaves are most likely to occur in UK waters for the first time. Marine heatwaves are periods of extremely warm sea temperatures that occur in regions across the global ocean. In recent years, they've caused a range of catastrophic marine ecosystem impacts all over the world, including the complete collapse of seagrass meadows and kelp forests, widespread coral bleaching, and mass mortality or major shifts of fisheries. These events have affected regional blue economies and coastal communities, with reported losses to the tourism and fishing industries and even conflict among fishers. In June 2023, the UK and Ireland witnessed one of the most intense but short-lived marine heatwaves ever recorded, which captured the attention of both scientific and media communities. This event exposed a gap in our understanding of the characteristics of marine heatwaves in this region and the potential impacts that they may have on the wider marine ecosystem. What did we do? We used a combination of satellite remote sensing data and model output to characterise marine heatwaves and their opposites, marine cold spells, around the UK and wider North East Atlantic, and assess the impact they may have on biogeochemistry. Our research shows that while the UK isn't a hotspot for these events across the wider North Atlantic, there are still regional differences. On average, the English Channel and southern North Sea tend to experience longer but weaker marine heatwaves, while in the eastern North Sea they tend to be shorter but more intense. Our research also shows that when marine heatwaves occur in the relatively shallow southern North Sea and English Channel, oxygen levels tend to be extremely low, which puts ecosystems near the seafloor under increased stress. While marine heatwaves in UK waters do not appear to be as long-lasting or as intense as other regions around the world at the moment, they are projected to increase. This means that we're presented with a unique opportunity to learn from other nations to increase preparedness and response capability for future extreme events.